Hi, my name is Balasandra Chandru. I'm a customer success and training specialist from OpenLearning Global. In this video, I'm going to show two things. Number one is group and number two is notification. Okay, let's start with the group. So what is actually a group? Group on OpenLearning a bit versatile and you can use in variety way. Number one, you can create a study group where it's like a space where some of your students can discuss particular topic with like-minded students. Or you can do some sort of like a group project where in the group, it's like there's a space where they can collaborate and build the solution together. But before your students or you to creating a group, first you need to create a group tab. Okay, let's come back to my screen here. Okay, to access the group, first, number one, go to your own course, and then under the course setup, and then click group, and it will open this page. First, you need to create a group type. To create a group type, click this button, create a new group type, and then give it a name. Maybe post the project activity. Okay, and then who can create a group of this type? Okay, they are course admin or course facilitator or everyone. So I'm just going to click everyone, including the learner. And then can a learner join this type of group? How they can learner join? So you can decide, can they join this type of group directly or as well as any group members who can add other learners. So I'm okay with both. Then click create. Okay, after you created your group type, you can either create a group for your learners or let them create their own group. So for this case, I'm going to create for them. Okay, so I'm going to create under the class of 2024, under the group type, post the project activity. And then the group going to be group. Okay, okay. All right, so since that's already exists, maybe group one. Okay, so you can create as many as group one, two, three, four. And after you created a group, you can add members. All right. Or you also can add the members by using the bulk import or export. So this also depend on your use case. Sometimes there are also courses where you need to create a group where the student can collaborate some and do the activity together. Sometimes it's not needed. It's totally up to you if you really want to use this feature or not. Okay, let's say you want to use this feature. I want you to pause this video and go and create at least one or two group, depend on your own use case. But if you feel like you don't want to use this and this is not really relevant for your course, you can move on to the next setting. Okay, it's done. Okay, let's move on to the second feature, which is notification. So what is actually a notification? Notification you receive in your course is totally depend on your roles, either you're course administrator or facilitator or learner. It's actually up to the course administrator to customize the course notification setting for each of the different roles. Okay, so but as a user as well, you can still customize your personal notification setting for your course social activities. To access the course notification set feature, go to the course setup and click notification. All right. So here you decide as a course administrator what type of notification you want to trigger for your own course. So as for administrator, do you want to receive this type of notification? For facilitator, okay, you can choose the one that really relevant, and as well for learners. Okay, once you choose the right one, the one you feel like is a right notification and right setting for your course, you also can go and double check your own notification setting, all right, by going here under the click bell icon and then click the gear icon. So here you can pretty much can read all your notifications. You also can double check your notification setting. Okay, what type of notification you want to receive, like a platform notification, daily email digest, or how you want to receive the notification. Is it immediately or something like that? So you want to mute the notification can, you just go to the mute class and then find the class that you or course that you want to mute and click on. And after that, you won't receive any notification from your course or from your class. So now I want you to pause this video and go to your own course setup notification and review back all your notification setting. Choose the notification that really relevant for your own course. Your time start now. All done? Okay. If let's say you need any further help or you need anything that you're not sure, you can always come back to our help community page. We will go through our help articles, or you can reach out to us via phone, email, or via chat. That's all for this video. Till next time. Bye.